Hi, I'm Matt McQuinn, Service Manager for DEUTZ Power Center Midwest in North Kansas City. While we're handling service needs out of our facility, I'm also responsible for making sure our customers are taken care of in the Omaha, Branson, and Colorado Springs markets. I have put mobile technicians in those key areas to provide prompt service across the Midwest because we know that time is money for our customers. I joined DPC Midwest from the service side of the rental equipment industry, so I know firsthand that rental utilization is key to your profitability. Our service technicians are not only highly trained on just DEUTZ engines, but we're also equipped to perform service and unplanned repairs on all equipment. We are also a Genie authorized repair facility that can do warranty repairs on Genie equipment and submit claims direct to Genie, which is a no-cost repair to you. Rental customers have come to depend on DEUTZ Power Centers to service non-DEUTZ powered equipment because they know we repair everything right the first time. And by that, I mean everything, from small tools all the way up to full boom teardowns. We understand that when a piece of equipment breaks down, we need to be on it. Visit DEUTZsupport.com or call the number on your screen today.